Hello everyone, this is Grace Ofure Iwakomu, your real estate investment paddy. I've missed you guys so much. But guess what? I'm just doing what you have sent me to do, trying to figure out how you can make so much from your real estate investment. Real estate investment right now in Nigeria is booming. You know why? The banks have failed everybody. So this is the best time to buy real estate in Nigeria. I know a lot of people will say, when is the best time to buy real estate? They'll say now. But this is more than now. It's actually booming. Last year, we did a couple of projects. We saw the massive return on investment. But I was surprised that even the rental income is so fantastic. The projects we did last year, do you know that just normal rental, I'm not saying short let, just rental, just get somebody to rent their house. Our investors are making close to 12% return on investment. Because the rental income in Nigeria has gone up. And there is nothing me and you can do about it. But it's an opportunity for wise investors to begin to look at the rental market. I always like rental business because it gives you opportunity for cash flow. You can actually plan with the monies that come to you yearly. It even gets better when you do the short let apartment where you can actually have 30 to 50% yearly. All you just have to do is to furnish the place and make sure it's looking nice and you get that. A lot of people are actually taking short let homes now and they are paying out well. So, my dear, this is the time to begin to think of investing in real estate in Nigeria. Maybe the country you live in, you have opportunity to get funds, even if you have to use bank funds. This is the time to channel those kind of money to investing in real estate. This is the time to begin to build your future, the dream, that life you want to live in some years from now by ensuring that you have various kind of real estate investment on your portfolio. I love land banking. I have a lot of them. I love rental income. It gives me security and assurance. I actually plan sometimes my vacation using my rental income. So it's important that you begin to think about it. Guess what? It's already March. I just remember when they said, Happy New Year. You guys just sent me a message. Grace Ofure, Happy New Year. It's already March. It won't be nice if after you have met me that you don't still have one real estate investment. So I'm saying to you that you need to start. Most times the challenges you have is that, can I start? Are you sure I can pay? It's a seed. I've said that over and over again. I want to assure you that if you make up your mind today to start an investment with the little capital you have, you will finish paying. Trust me, I'll pray for you. Doors will be opened for you. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. His desire is for you to have at least part of the earth. So he will ensure that you have part of it. But he needs you. He needs you to take that step. He needs you to make up your mind. He needs you to have a vision about it. And a vision that is not written down is just mere wishes. How do you start and write down your vision? You make a seed. You drop a seed to say, I want to start. And you will finish. A lot of our customers actually started like this. Our investors just started. And I'm always amazed. At the end of the day, they finish paying. And I'm very excited because along the line, I encourage, I motivate, I pray, and ensure that you don't go wrong and you are able to pay. Just go and start. The year is going. Just go and start. Just go and start. So, while I was thinking of this, I thought of it. I was like, I came up with smaller products that you can actually use for rental income. Our lowest real estate rental income used to be like in a good place, 30 to 35 million naira. But now we have a 2-bedroom close to Lagos Business School. Lagos Business School, I attended Lagos Business School. Once you are in school, a lot of us want to live close to the school in Lekki. And so people use it for short let and they cash out. So we have 2-bedroom apartment that you can actually buy, 22 million naira. And using our L cash, you can actually have discounts and it will reduce the money. We also have 5-bedroom duplexes that you can also still use for shortlets. You need to have the 2-bedroom for people. You also need to have 5-bedroom in case people are coming from outside of Nigeria and they came with their family. You can also use your 5-bedroom or 4-bedroom for shortlets. But the most important thing is, I just want you to decide, make up your mind, see, dream, get this assurance that you can start and you would finish. So if you want to start in any of our investment portfolio, then it's fine. Just reach out to me, graceofrayzone@gmail.com. And if you have another kind of real estate you are looking at, maybe it's cheaper, you can also go to our Lcash, which is lifecardcompany.ng, where we can help you to go and check if this property is really existing. That is why we came up with Lcash. We want to make sure that as long as you cross our paths, as long as you cross my path, you will not have anything to worry about when it comes to real estate acquisition in Nigeria. I want to say I love you guys. Thank you so much. And don't watch this video alone. Press the subscribe button, share, like, and drop a comment if there's anything you want me to address. It's always good, and anytime you watch my video, just drop a comment. I love you is enough for me. I'm sure that the more comments I have, the more I'll come weekly to share with you what is happening in the real estate market in Nigeria. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the month. God bless you.